when the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying. Through the winning, losing, and trying, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made, to you and to the one who gave you to me. I will be here.
As I watch you move across the moonlit room, there's so much tenderness in your loving. Tomorrow I must leave, the dawn knows no reprieve. God, give me strength when I am leaving. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. And tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight to calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. As we move to embrace, tears run down your face. I whisper words of love so softly. I can't believe this pain, it's driving me insane. Without your touch, life will be lonely. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. Yeah. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. Morning has come, another day. I must pack my bags and say goodbye. Goodbye. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness.
type who dreams there could be more. But you were there, you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Kung ang buhay ay isang umagang nakangiti, at ikaw ay ang lupang sinusuyo ng bituin. Di mo man siling ang langit, di mo man siling, ito'y nandirito pa rin. Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay nakakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging papaon ko ay pag-ibig. Sa pagbuhos ng ulan, sa haplos ng hangin, alaala mo ang nakabukid sa pisngi.